dear sisters and brothers around the world. I am Sujan, a proud son representing my motherland, Bangladesh. I sincerely thank you all for giving me a pretty opportunity. Sisters and brothers, Bangladesh is a sovereign republic where the Bengali speaking people believe in affectionate love, unity, and humanism. Through our deep love for freedom, culture, and life, we have built a traditional and developing nation. Sisters and brothers, Bangladesh located in southern Asia bordering the Bay of Bengal between Burma and India. Total area 1,48,460 square kilometer. Land 1,30,170 square kilometer. Water 18,290 square kilometer. In the comparison ranking of the world, total 94 ranking. Coastline 580 kilometer. Land boundaries, total border countries to Burma 271 kilometer border, and India 4,142 kilometer. Maritime claims: territorial sea 12 nautical mile, contiguous zone 18 nautical mile, exclusive economic zone 200 nautical mile. Climate: tropical, mild winter, October to March, hot, humid summer, March to June, humid, warm, rainy monsoon, June to October. Terrain: mostly flat, alluvial plain, hilly southeast. Elevation: highest point 1060 meter, Maudang. Lowest point Bay of Bengal 0 meter. Mean elevation 86 meter. Natural resources: natural gas, arable land, timber and coal. Land use: agricultural land 72.4% agricultural land, forest 4.5%, others 13.2%. Major rivers by length in kilometers: Brahmaputra river mouth entering with China and India 3,969 kilometer. Ganges river's mouth shared with India, that is 2,704 kilometer. Point to be noted: after country name, first Ganges mouth is India and Brahmaputra's mouth is China. Natural hazards: droughts, cyclones. Mass of the country routinely inundated during the summer monsoon season. Point to be noted: most of the country is situated on deltas of large rivers flowing from the Himalayas. The Ganges units with the Jamuna, main channel of the Brahmaputra, and later join the Meghna to eventually empty into the Bay of Bengal. Our people and society. Population. Total population as per 2024, previous year, near about 17 million, male and female almost 100 is to 101. Ethnic group. Bangali at least 99%. Bangali. Other indigenous ethnic groups 1% as per 2022 EST note. Point to be noted, Bangladesh government recognized 27 indigenous ethnic groups under the 2019 Cultural Institution for Small Anthropological Groups Act. Other sources estimate there are about 75 ethnic groups. Language. Bangla 98% official, also known as Bengali language. Others 1.2%. Religious. Muslim 91%, Hindu 8%, others 1% as per 2028. Age structure. Below 14 25%, 15 to 64 years 67%, 65 years and over 7.8%. Point to be noted, 15 to 64 years 77.19%. Sister and brothers, shortly I want to focus our country internal governmental structure. Country name. Conventional long form, People's Republic of Bangladesh. Conventional short form, Bangladesh. Local long form, Ganaprojatantri Bangladesh. Local short form, Bangladesh. Formers. East Bengal, East Pakistan. Government type, Parliamentary Republic. Capital, Dhaka. Administrative division, 8 division. Legal system, common law incorporating elements of English common law since independence. Statutory law has been the primary form of legislation. Islamic law applies to Muslims in family and inheritance laws, with Hindu personal law applying to Hindus and Buddhists. Constitution. History. Previous 1935 first starting our constitution. Since independence 1972, there is a constitution in our sovereign in Bangladesh. We maintain this. Executive branch. Chief of State, President, Head of Government, Prime Minister. Cabinet. Cabinet selected by the Prime Minister, appointed by the President. Point to be noted, Cabinet selected by the Prime Minister, appointed by the President. Appointment process. President indirectly elected by the National Parliament for a 5-year term, eligible for a second term. The President appoints as Prime Minister the majority party leader in the National Parliament. That means President appointed by the Prime Minister. Most recent election date 13th February 2023. Legislative branch. Expected date of next election December 2025. Judicial branch. Highest court, Supreme Court of Bangladesh, organized into the Appellate Division with 7 justices and the High Court Division with 99 justices. Judge selection and term of offices. Chief Justice and Justice appointed by the President. Justice serves until retirement at age 67. Subordinate courts. Civil courts include Assistant Judges Court, Joint District Judges Court, Additional District Judges Court, District Judges Court. Criminal courts including Court of Sessions, Court of Metropolitan Sessions, Metropolitan Magistrate Court, Special Courts or Tribunals. Brothers and sisters, major political parties: Bangladesh Awami League, Bangladesh Jamaat Islam, Bangladesh Nationalist Party BNP, Islami Andolon Bangladesh, Islami Andolon Jatiyo Party JP, Jatiyo Party Monju, National Socialist Party, Workers Party. Sisters and brothers, our economy is the most important, the economic overview. One of the fastest growing emerging market economics, a strong economic rebound following COVID-19, significant poverty reduction, exports dominated by textile industry, weakened exports and remittance resulted in decline foreign exchange reserves, and as per 2022 IMF loan request. Real GDP. Purchasing power parity, real GDP, as per 2024 is 1.473 trillion. 203 1.13 trillion. 2022 1.336 trillion. Note, data is as per 2021 dollars. Comparison ranking 24 in the world. Real GDP growth as per 2022 GDP growth 7.1%, 2023 6.8%, 2024 4.2%. A special note, annual GDP percentage growth based on constant local currency as per world ranking 69. Real GDP per capita as per 2022 7.900, as per 2023 8,200, and 2024 8,500. Sisters and brothers, our countries, one of the main issues is energy sector, electricity access, electrification, total population 99.4%. Point to be noted, electricity access, electrification, total populations in 99.4% as per 2022 data sheet. 99.4% electrification. Electrification urban areas 100%. Electrification rural areas 99.3%. Electricity installed generating capacity as per 2023 22.699 million kilowatt. Consumption 107. Point to be noted, electricity generating capacity 22.699 million kilowatt, only 22 point something. Consumption 107.286 billion kilowatt as per 2023. Imports 9.407 billion kilowatts. Imports 9.407 billion kilowatts as per 2023. Install our capacity electricity 22 million kilowatt, but consumption 107 billion. But we electrification almost 100%. Anyways, sisters and brothers, transmission or distribution losses 8.279 billion kilowatt. My goodness, our electricity transmission losses yearly as per 2023 8.279 billion kilowatt. Electricity generating sources, fossil fuels 98.4%, solar 1%, hydroelectricity 0.6%. Nuclear energy, number of nuclear reactors under construction, expected this year 2025 2 reactors. Coal production 7,67,000 metric ton. Production 7,67,000 metric ton as per 2023. Consumption 1.04 million metric tons. Imports 13.305 million metric tons. Proven reserve, our coal reserve, proven reserve as per estimating 2023 3.26 billion metric ton. Petroleum, total petroleum production 13,000 barrel per day. Refined petroleum consumption, my goodness, 263,000 barrel per day. Crude oil estimated reserve, 28 million barrels as per 2021. 28 million barrels crude oil estimated reserve. Natural gas production 22.334 billion cubic meters as per 2023. Natural gas production as per 2023 22.334 billion cubic meters. Consumption 29.119 billion cubic meters. Imports 6.786 billion cubic meters. Proven reserves 126.293 billion cubic meters. Communication. Telephones, fixed lines, total subscriptions as per 2023 3,200,000. Subscription per 100 inhabitants 2023 estimated less than 1. Comparison ranking total subscriptions in world 118th fixed line telephone countries. Mobile cellular total subscription 191 million. Point to be noted, mobile cellular subscriber total subscription 191 million as per 2023. Subscription per 100 inhabitants 105. Comparison ranking total subscription wise in the world 9th position. Broadcast media. State of Bangladesh Television BTV broadcast nationally. Some channels operates via satellite. The government also own a medium wave radio channel and some private FM radio news channels. Of the 41 approved TV station, 26 are currently being used to broadcast and 23 operate under private management via cable distribution. Internet country code .bd. Internet user percent of population 45% only as per 2023. Now 2025. Transportation. Civil aircraft registration country code prefix S2 62. Civil aircraft registration country code prefix S2. Airport as per 2025 17 airport we have. Comparison ranking 146th. Comparison ranking in the world 146th. Heliports 36. Comparison ranking 44. Railways total 2,460 kilometer as per 2024, not last 11 years data. Sorry to say, please pardon me. Ports. Total ports 2 as per 2024. Large 0, medium on, small on, very small 0. Port with oil terminals 0. Key ports Sitang and Mongla. Military and security. Military and security forces. Armed forces of Bangladesh takes Bangladesh Defence Force, Bangladesh Army, Bangladesh Navy, Bangladesh Air Force, Ministry of Home Affairs, Bangladesh Police, Border Guard Bangladesh BGP, Bangladesh Coast Guard, Rapid Action Battalion RAP, Ansar Village Defense Party BDP. Point to be noted, sister and brothers, point to be noted, the armed forces of Bangladesh are jointly administered by the Ministry of Defense and the Armed Forces Division, both under the Prime Minister Office. The Armed Forces Division has ministerial status and parallel functions with Ministry of Defense. The Armed Forces Division is a joint coordinating headquarters for the three services and also functions as a joint command center during wartime to coordinate policy. The Prime Minister and the President are advised by a six-member board, which includes the three services chiefs of staff, the principal staff officer of the Armed Forces Division, and the military secretaries to the Prime Minister and President. Point to be noted 2. The RAB, ANSAR, and VDP are paramilitary organizations for internal security. The Rapid Action Battalion is a joint task force comprised of police, army, navy, air force, and border guard. Border guard personnel. Seconded to the RAB, its mandate includes internal security, intelligence gathering related to criminal activities, and government direct investigations. Government directed investigation. Dear sisters and brothers, point to be note 2. The Rapid Action Battalion, ANSARS, and VDP are paramilitary organization for internal security. The Rapid Action Battalion is a joint task force comprised of police, army, navy, air force, and border guards personnel. Its mandate includes internal security, intelligence gathering related to criminal activities, and government directed investigation. Military expenditure. As per 2024 military expenditure, 1.3% of total GDP. 1.3% 2020, 2021 1.2% of total GDP, 2022 1.1% of total GDP, 2023 1% of total GDP, 2024 0.9% of total GDP. Military and security services personnel strength. Information varies. Approximately 1,70,000 active armed forces as per 2025 running year. Military equipment, inventories and acquisitions. Mass of the military's inventory is comprised of Chinese and Russian origin equipment. In recent years, China has been the leading provider of arms to Bangladesh as per 2024. Military services age and obligations. Generally 17 to 21 for voluntary military service. Length of service varies by military services as per 2024. Military deployments. Approximately 1,400 Central African Republic, 1,660 Democratic Republic of Congo, plus about 900 police, 120 Lebanon, 100 Mali, plus about 160 police, 1,060 South Sudan, 500 Sudan as per 2024. Point to be noted, sisters and brothers, as of early 2024, Bangladesh had nearly 6,000 total military and police personnel deployed on UN missions. sister and brothers, our military point to be noted, that is, the military's primary responsibility is external defense, but it also has a domestic security role. Following widespread domestic protest in September 2024, the army was given law enforcement powers, including making arrests, conducting searches, and dispersing unlawful assemblies. The military has traditionally been a significant player in the country's politics and has commercial business interest in such areas as banking, food, hotels, manufacturing, real estate, and shipbuilding, and manages government infrastructure and construction projects. Sisters and brothers, the military has a long history of participating in United Nations peacekeeping missions, which has provided operational experience and is source of funding. It ruined an international institute for the training of peacekeepers. The military also conduct multinational and bilateral exercises with foreign partners, particularly India 2025. Sisters and brothers, no more today. Yesterday we discussed about our space terrorism, our transitional issue, and our country's position, connectivity, along with many more. Thank you so much for giving me a chance to present my beloved motherland worldwide. Thank you so much.